from Nolichucky Bluffs at Grandma's Cupboard, where normally we have lots of guests here for breakfast. Right now, it's kind of lonely because there's nobody on property. We know you're staying home right now, but we're looking forward to seeing you back at the Bluffs in the future. With the evolving coronavirus, we're not serving any breakfast until May 1st, but you can reserve a private secluded cabin just for you. Increased routine cleaning is in place, and we are taking very proactive sanitary precautions to keep our cabins safe. So, even though it's empty and it's lonely here, we remain committed to the highest standard of cleanliness so that you can feel at ease during your stay. We've put in place a comprehensive COVID-19 guidance, which includes frequent cleaning of high-touched surfaces and areas, and an adequate spacing of guests so that we can deep sanitize between each stay. Please know that the trust that you put in us when you travel and stay with us is deeply appreciated. But right now, stay home. Be safe and be well. And we're not going anywhere, so we'll see you soon back at the Bluffs.